Yeah, welcome guys. So sorry I missed something yesterday when I was analyzing this XAUUSD. So what I missed was CRT. Yeah, the CRT that caused this bullish move to the upside, and I was anticipating for price to take out this. So this was last week's price action, the previous week, and the one before the previous week's price action. So I was anticipating for price to come to take out this high. So what I missed was this CRT. So we're in a downtrend. So the most important thing is paying attention to anything supply. So when price took out this high from last week, yeah. So the reaction from after taking out this high is the most important thing. So when I got to notice this was when I took a trade. I'll show you guys when I get to the lower time frame. So let's go to from the weekly time frame CRT, sweep of this high, then closure within the range of this candle. So I dropped down to the 4 hours time frame straight. Then I noticed a shift in um, state of delivery. Yeah, a change in state of delivery around here. So price change character immediately after taking out this high. So and we have this inducement high after this break of structure. Then price went ahead, take out this inducement high, then tapped into this supply area. So supplies will keep holding as long as the downtrend is concerned. So we know that we're in a downtrend. So price kept on selling from here. So broke structure to the downside, broke structure the other time again. Then the first, I was talking about double breaks yesterday. So double breaks are very important. So the second break is here. So while we have the first break right here. So the second break's high is what? The inducement high. So price now came, took out the inducement high, as you can see, took it out, tapped into the supply above the inducement high, which is this red candle, the candle before the impulse. So you see the way price tap into the candle before the impulse, then sold to the downside. So and ever since then, we know that our draw on liquidity, overall draw on liquidity will be this CRT low. Short-term draw on liquidity would be this low right here. So which happens to be last week's low, isn't it? Yes, last week low. So we know what we are looking for on gold now. We are looking for more sales to the downside, and for now we want to take out this low, then overall we want to go and take out this low. So this is what is mostly important for now. Anything outside this is going to be gambling. Yes. So now when I realized this was when I dropped down to the 1 hour time frame, and about the towards the end of the video yesterday I was talking about this breakouts, then I was talking about anticipation for a pullback, then continuation. So I was on this trade, this continuation trade. Then I just decided to go and reanalyze. Then I saw that, oh, I was missing something from the weekly time frame. So I had to take out my profit at this high. Then immediately I took out the profit, market started to crash. So I just took out this 2.15 risk reward ratio. So now what I'm anticipating is that price should come after this break of structure to the downside. I'm anticipating for this internal high to be taken as inducement. So there will be a breaker block right above it. So this one, I'm using this to give you the potential entry point, more like a signal. For I'm not a signal provider, so I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do. Yeah. So but this is most likely what's going to happen. This breaker block, inducement high, as you can see, the inducement high, the breaker block, and the entry will come around that breaker block. So but you can just wait for confirmation so that you are going to get a better risk reward. Yeah, if you have a structure shift on the lower time frame, like the 5 minutes time frame, so then you have a better risk reward, because if you should enter aggressively from here, that means your stop loss will be above these points, and that would be a crazy stop loss for gold. Yeah, that would be a crazy stop loss for gold. That's 220 pips. So you just need to wait for lower time frame market structure shifts, then you target this low right here, about 760 pips. So yeah, that is that for gold, and this is for intraday traders. And for swing traders, you can as well hold it to the extreme low right here, that is about 1550 pips. So thank you for being here, and I hope this analysis, the correction I made, I hope you understand it, and I hope it's gonna help you get a better trade for the week on gold. You have a nice day. Bye bye guys.